If you love culinary, this is the program to be at.
Pretty much all aspects of a restaurant, you're cooking, you're cleaning, you work as a team. It's going to build your fundamentals of the culinary arts field in general.
Try to go all the way to the bottom.
We have amazing chefs with great personalities. They make the whole idea of culinary a lot more fun.
It's been extremely valuable. I've been able to get chef positions as far as work.
A pasta primavera, a seafood caper, and shrimp scallops.
All of the extra bakery stuff that we've learned pushed me to become who I want to be.
I'd like to eventually open my own children's restaurant.
I'd love to own my own bakery.
Thank you for all your hard work.
Having teachers who are so personable, so honest, and so helpful is really the key to getting a good education.
If you want to grab one of them, put them here, cut it.
They're amazing. They're always willing to work with you. They're willing to give you some extra help if you need it. CMCC has been the foundation of my education.
CMCC is an amazing way to get an education and still be a part of your family life. It's definitely given me a lot more hope for myself. This is a great place to be.